What that life look like, my brothers and sisters, this none other than your brother XL Willbur reporting to you live from the inside with another gym vlog. And today, it's a special one. And I'm doing it from the hut for a specific reason. Let me ask you a question first. How many of y'all have gotten into the mode of going to the gym or had the thought process that I want to get back into the gym, but just don't feel like driving to it? Hey, say I, and I shall testify. So with that being said, I've been in that place this week. I can't call it a rut because I've still been productive, but I was in that same space of I don't want to drive to the gym because where I'm living at now, each gym, there are like 3 or 4 or 5 gyms, and they're all like 20 minutes, 20 something minutes away, almost 30 minutes away depending on traffic. And I just don't be feeling it sometimes. So what I did with the limited resources of the land and this big toolbox up here, I've actually developed my own workout. So the stainless Steve, I'm gonna show you how to do this, son. Come with me. I know y'all might be all fired up and eager and ready to get it on, but I'm putting my military cap right quick. I've been in the Army 20-something years, and hey, I gotta give you a safety brief first and foremost. So make sure that you stretch before you get into this thing, because this is a full body workout that I've come up with. A full body workout, gonna work out everything. So make sure that your shoulder rotations is in place, your stretches, your chest stretches, all those things like that, your legs, get everything situated to where you know you're gonna be cool to work that thing out, because you're gonna work that thing out. Oh, you gonna work that thing out. So next thing you'll need though is your tools. 2 dumbbells. Right now I got some weight on it, and I'm actually have to downsize this so that way I can give you a full, efficient demonstration to make sure that you're proficient in the end. Because if I'm putting on some weight, this is what I work out with to put up a little challenge when I do this workout. But I actually need to decrease this in order to give you a full range of motion and show you exactly how to be the best person you can be. Add it on after the fact. But with that being said, all you need is 2 dumbbells. Put on the weight that you're comfortable with to get this thing going. All right, so the first position you're gonna get in, of course, you're gonna be right here. Get your dumbbells. Make sure that you're in a place to where you can do a push-up while holding the dumbbell. So kick them legs out, dip down, 1 push-up, back up, bring your legs back in, get your feet together to lift up as if you're doing a squat. Do your hammer curl, bring it all the way up, then push it above your head. Bring it back down, reverse curl, squat it out, kick it out, push up. This time you're doing 2. 2 of everything on that next one. Then you're gonna hop up, 1, then you're gonna do another squat, 2, then you're gonna get back to that 1 hammer curl, 2 hammer curls, bring it all the way up, bring it back down, bring it back up, bring it back down, like shoulder press. You bring it back down. When you're bringing it back down to go to the starting position, you only do 1 repetition of each. So then we're going for 3. 1, 2, 3. Up, boom. 1, 2, and 3. 1 hammer curl, 2 hammer curls, 3 hammer curls. Bring it up. 1, and 3. And bring it all the way back down. This time we're going for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, you'll feel it. 3 and 4. I know I am. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it all the way back down. I'm only going through a set of 5 in this instructional one to show you what it looked like. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hop in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift all the way up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring it all the way back down. Set them things where you need them to be. That's how you do the stainless steel. So I did it from repetition 1 to 5. You can go all the way back down, make it 10 sets. So we go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then do 5 again, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sort of like a pyramid. I'm gonna do that on another video. I'm just not getting used to this thing, and I want you to get used to it too before we go to that advanced level. So, with that being said, you know the blood's still running warm in my veins. I can do a couple more. Just did a burpee challenge. Shout out to the Burger King. Just did the Psycho style prison burpees. That's another full body workout. All I really did was just add some weights to it, put my weight on it, and did amazing things. So now I get to share that wealth with you. So go do what you were born to do. All right, so here's a disclaimer. I'm used to just throwing these videos out there and putting them together the way I put them together. Kind of forgot about this is YouTube, and this is formality that I have to follow in order to get you to be engaged. So here it is. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and please make sure that you give me all feedback is welcome. I'm grown. I don't argue. All I do is speak from experience, baby. So with that being said, share the wealth, share the knowledge, share the input, and share your experiences. Hey, I may lie because I learned from people who don't believe as I believe, guaranteed. So with that being said, go be the champ you was born to be. Catch me on all platforms under Excel Motivation or Excel Willbur, Facebook and TikTok. Those are two I'm doing right now. And motivational mixtapes on the way. I'm finna be looking like No Limit on my catalog, man. And it's gonna be different than anything you've ever heard before when it comes to these motivational albums, man. Your motivational speaker ain't me, man. I'm telling you. But other than that, this is your brother, XL Willbur, Moses with tattoos, blessings and armor. Bah!